This is OPPO F23 and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, you will need to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then amongst the available control panel shortcuts, find the nearby share icon, then hold Edit Style. Once you have successfully opened the nearby share page, you can activate it by toggling this switch. Then you can rename the device if you want to, change its visibility or adjust, manage, whatever, and modify the network type that will be preferably used for the file transfer. Once everything is enabled and configured, we can just go ahead and quickly test this feature out. So I will try sending the screenshot I just took through the nearby share, send it from my Nokia to the OPPO F23 and see how well it performs. As you can see, the file has been sent and received flawlessly, so that will be pretty much it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.